Check out the SkyTex Softbox. This is a kit that comes with 2 softboxes in it, and it's only for $64.59 as recording of this video on Amazon. So I purchased these because I wanted to check out some new lighting techniques other than the ones I have now. I got the 2 kit because I wanted one for main use and one as a backup. For you guys, it might be different. So let's dive into the unboxing of the SkyTex Softbox. First here, obviously, comes in this wonderful bag. Not only is it a carrying case for all the stuff inside, it's not that bad of quality. I mean, you get what you pay for. If you look at some of these on Amazon, they can go anywhere up to $100 or more for 2 of them. Just getting one by itself alone is probably about like $80–70 you're looking at. So I was able to get both of these for the price of one. In the container, you're gonna find a whole bunch of different parts that we're gonna look into right now. We have, let's see, and this is exactly how it comes straight out of the box when it arrives. So here's the carrying case with its logo on there. Here we have a total of 6 boxes. We got the little instruction manual. Go over how everything that it has, characteristics, features, what the package should include. So here, these 2, we'll start off with these 2 right here. These are the bulbs. Here we have the bulb and we have the remote control. The remote control has multiple options between turning it on, putting it on auto, cycling through, changing the Kelvin. So the Kelvin on these bulbs are from 2700 K all the way to 6400 Kelvin. So that allows you to get anywhere between warm temperatures to very cool temperatures at the ease of just a remote. On the list is going to be this brown box right here. This is the stand, and this gives you the tripod look. It's up the last part, which is what we're looking at and what we purchased. The actual softbox itself, which as you can see is a plug-in, plugs into a standard outlet, house outlet. Has a on and off switch and a little adapter angle. You can get that 90-degree turn right there, swivel it around on the mount on the tripod. Now, in order to open this up, what you do is you open it up. In here, you're gonna have where the bulb goes and a little circle ring, and you got to push down on the ring and fit it around where the bulb will go. So as you can see, right here, this ring is supposed to go right around the bulb. So this is the softbox itself. And as you can see, this is a pretty big softbox. It's a 20 by 28 inch. It literally is half my size. Okay, so the softbox is all set up here. I wanted to get it set up for you guys so you guys can see exactly how well it works. And again, a size comparison, I can still adjust this higher. I'm able to go up to 8 feet and go a lot lower as well. So let's go right into it. Look at that light right there. It is really, really bright. And again, the remote allows you to not only turn it off, turn it on. And again, there's a switch in the back here, connect to the extension cord to be able to plug this in case you want to turn it on that way. And you can actually go ahead and cycle through, a warmer light, a much cooler light, and sunlight. So you're able to change the brightness, make it a lot brighter, a lot more dimmer, and you also have the option for 20%, 50%, and 100%. Again, warm, cold, and just white light. So go ahead and check out the description down below. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll have the Amazon link down below. Again, all links down below are affiliate links. So if you would like to support this channel, I'm very much appreciated. You can also do so by go ahead and hit that subscribe button and liking this video. So I'll see you guys next time.